When you open Rentoy's Android or iOS app, at the bottom right, you will see Santa waiting to help you choose toys and books for your next Rentoy's box. Santa's box uses artificial intelligence to find out the best toys and books, bases your preferences, past orders, and current wish list. Proceed with selecting your kid's age group and his or her interests. Then, click on Open Santa's box, and Santa will suggest about 20 best toys and books suitable for your kids. Let's try changing our wishlist and check whether Santa changes his suggestions or not. Go to your wishlist and remove few toys. Then go to the list of categories and add few toys to the wish list. Now, as you can see, Santa has changed his suggestions. As you order more Rentoy's boxes, Santa gets to know you better and his suggestions will improve over time. So, what are you waiting for? Open Rentoy's app and try Santa now.